I keep hearing this question. Is the testing career dying? Are companies removing QA roles? Is AI gonna take over testing? And there will be no job left for the testers. If you are scared and confused, you are not alone in this world. So let's talk about the real truth in this video. So here is the truth. The testing career isn't dying. But yes, the old way of testing is just getting faded away. Doing just UI clicks, writing manual test cases, and doing repetitive tasks does not exist anymore. And it is just slightly fading away. And that's where most people get scared. But look at what's happening in the industry right now. Companies are releasing more features, companies are pushing more codes, and the app is becoming more complex. And more complexity means more testing. That means more job for QA testers. So let's just pause for a moment and let's just look at the data for QA testers in India. According to a recent survey, QA testers are getting somewhere between rupees 3 lakhs to 20 lakhs in a year. If you are a fresher and you are just entering the market of QA, you can earn somewhere between rupees 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs and sometimes 4.5 lakhs as well. And if you are a mid-level experience, you can get somewhere between 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs up to rupees 10 lakh. And if you are a senior folk with some experience, you can surely hit a package of rupees 12 lakhs, 14 lakhs, 16 lakhs and up to 20 lakh rupees. Please remember, this is just the average package which I am talking about, and you can get really better package than this. So on the job front, there are now over 3,300 QA job listing across any portal at any given point of time. So even if someone says that QA testing is dying, the number does not support that. Rather, it says the things are changing and premium will go to the folks who will adapt and change. And here is what most of the people don't see. The world of testing isn't dying, it's just changing rapidly and very fast. For example, 70% of the companies worldwide have adopted a agile methodology and a rapid software development cycle, which means there are more softwares delivered. And when there are more software created and more complex software delivered, there are obviously more opportunity for the testers to test that software. According to a recent survey, the custom software segment has been valued over $44 billion in the global market, and it is expected to grow at a rate of 22.3% annually, which is more than any other industry in the world. What this tells us is more software, faster delivery cycle, and more complexity, which means there are more jobs for QA. So if you are learning modern skills, you are not running out of job, rather you are becoming more valuable and you can do works which other can't do. And that's the hope, that's the flip. Okay, so now let's look into the future, which looks more exciting and promising. Modern testers are not just becoming valuable, they are also highly paid and are problem-solving engineers. So for example, QA engineers who know Selenium, Playwright and Cypress can earn between 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs in a year. And at the same time, QA folks who are on a senior level with the same technologies are earning between 12 lakhs to 18 lakh rupees in a year. Performance tester who are very well equipped with the knowledge of JMeter, K6 or LoadRunner, they are earning between 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs rupees in a year. And don't forget the security QAs. With the increase in number of softwares and an increase in the number of cyber attacks, there are more and more need of the security QA. So if you are equipped with the tools like Burp Suite, you can earn somewhere between 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs in a year, and this is just the average package which I am talking about. It depends on your skill and presentation. You can earn really more than this. Mobile QA is booming too, with over 6.6 billion smartphone users in the world, and every major app release requires a QA to be tested. So if you are a mobile tester and you are well equipped with the technologies like APM, you can earn somewhere between 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs in a year, and international contacts can even pay you more than this. And finally, AI and ML testing is emerging. Any AI product requires massive amount of testing, and for which there are lots of QA required with high skills. And since this is the latest technology, there are very less number of QAs available. So if you can do it right, you can earn between 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs and even more in this field. Alright, so now that we have seen about all of the opportunities available out there in the market, now let's just talk about how you can actually get there. We will talk in a step-by-step process on how you can actually get such a high-paying job. Step number 1. To start with, you can either start with one of these technologies, either Selenium, Playwright or Cypress. Choose a technology of your choice out of these three. I will prefer Selenium, and I will also recommend you Selenium. Learn Selenium to give yourself a head start. Step number 2. Learn API testing and integration. With API testing more in demand, you need to learn Postman and Rest Assured. Rest Assured is a library written in Java, so you need to be learning Java, Rest Assured and Postman, and you can definitely conquer this particular step. Remember, a API tester or a backend tester is making between 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs in a year. Step number 3. Learn performance testing. So you can choose a tool like JMeter, K6 or Gatling. So out of these three, you can choose any of the tool of your choice. I will recommend you that you should go with JMeter, as JMeter is more in demand in the market and it can land you a very high paying job. So with this step, you can definitely conquer performance testing and you can upgrade yourself from automation tester to a performance tester as well. Step number 4. Security and penetration testing. So you can either learn Burp Suite or you can also learn ethical hacking, which are more in demand right now with the increase of cybersecurity attacks. So if you learn this technology, you are upgrading yourself one step more. Next step is the AI and ML testing. Remember, this is an optional which you can do or choose not to do. But I will recommend you, if you do this, this will definitely pay you back with a high paying job. Since AI and ML is so much in demand right now, this will definitely land you a very good job in a AI company, which is such a future-proof job. Follow this roadmap, combining with a high problem solving skills like data structures and algorithms, and I give you my words that your job is not going anywhere and you will definitely be earning more than the 99% of the testers. But here's the thing, if you don't take action right now, you will be really left behind. Companies are automating more than ever right now, and the manual testing job is definitely going to be vanished. Look at this in India. Companies are actively looking for automation testers, performance testers, and security testers. And the people who are just in manual testing job are just stuck at rupees 3 or 4 lakh rupees a year. The gap is real. The market rewards skill and not seniority. So if you don't do this right now, you will be left behind and you will be seeing others grow. So mark my words, today is the time to start. Let's do a very simple case study. Meet Ravi. He's a 21-year-old guy. He started his career with manual testing at rupees 3.5 lakh rupees a year. After 2 years, he decided to learn Selenium and become an automation engineer. And now, after 2 years, he's earning rupees 9 lakh rupee a year. Then there is Priya, who moved into performance testing with skills like JMeter and K6. She started with 5 lakh rupees an annum, and after sharpening her skills on JMeter and K6, now she is at rupees 15 lakh per year. Another example is of Sameer, who started with AI and ML testing in 2021. He started it with rupees 4 lakh rupee a year, and now he is an expert in just 3 years. Now it's 2025 and he is earning about rupees 22 lakh a year. These examples give a clear-cut idea that those who upgrade and those who showcase their skill will definitely get rewarded from the market and will get paid more. So is the testing career dying? No. It is transforming and you can transform with it. Learn, adapt and apply, and you will not just survive, you will just stand out in the crowd. The best time to start is today. If you find this video useful, then consider subscribing for more videos like this in automation and performance testing as well as security testing. Your one like can go a long way as it motivates me to create more videos like this. Until then, I will see you in the next video with a different topic and a more informative topic. Bye bye, take care, happy coding.